Creating cameras and lights. Module 10. In this module, we're going to create a camera in this scene right here. We're going to start off by opening up this practice exercise 10-1. We're going to download that. Then we're going to open the file. So here we have a house with a fenced yard and some grass. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a camera. Now there's a visualize tab that you may not have configured on your interface. And so if you don't have it, what you can do is you can right click and select show tabs and make sure that the visualize tab is enabled. Once you have the visualize tab enabled, you can go to the visualize tab here. And what we can do is to create a camera. And so right now the view is a custom view and it's realistic. If we select the camera, we can say create a camera. You can bring that camera into the scene. Right now I don't have any O snaps on, so it's fairly easy to locate it. If you do have O snaps on, you may want to turn them off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the camera and I'm going to place the focal point on the front door. I'm going to give it a name and I'll name it JC-Camera 1. And then I'm going to exit. And so we have this camera now. If I double click on it, we can get this camera preview and we can open that up a little bit. We can change from wireframe to conceptual. And then we can actually move the camera. And so we can come back here into our scene and raise that up and move the camera around as we see fit. So I'm just going to place it right there. And then as we work with these cameras, we can right mouse click on the camera and go to properties and set up different properties for that camera. You can close down this camera preview. And then we can take a look at the assignment in our textbook. The outer base was already thawed. That was that green area. And what we can do is we can look at different visual styles. We can place more cameras. So for example, we can put a camera on top of the roof as they showed us how to, or talk to us about. So if we come back here to our practice exercise, we can then go to create another camera. Here's our cameras. I'm going to hit escape, make this a little bigger. Create a camera. We can place it right here and then give it a field of view, give it a name. And then we can locate that, shift middle mouse wheel, locate that camera. We can move it. And you can actually see as the camera is moved where that focal point is going to be. We can adjust that focal point right here. Oh, let's say we wanted to show the front gate. And that's basically all there is to it. We can place these different cameras and then set up different views. And then as we go through, we can also do things like create animation paths for those cameras to follow. And so we can create an animation motion path, create a line, and attach that camera to it. All right, that ends this video. I'm going to stop the recording and post it.